Hi everybody, it's Miss Penny from Marengo-Union Library and we are here to do a craft together. Guess what? We get to paint. Yay! So, because we're painting, it's important for you to, yes, put some clothes on that are okay to get dirty or put on a smock, cover your workspace, and let's get started. Things you're going to need from home. You will need some scissors and some glue. I'm using this awesome thing that we got here that I absolutely love. It's called liquid glue and it's got a little sponge tip on it. It's so cool. I love it better than the glue sticks. It's better than the actual liquid glue that just gets all over. It's just really good. But you can use whatever glue you've got at home, okay? So scissors, glue, let's see. Wow, scissors, glue, okay? The things you'll have in your kit are going to be, oh, you don't even know what we're making, do you? We're making a fork feathered turkey or feather fork turkey, however you want to look at it, okay? We're making a painting, we're painting, all right? So the things that you're gonna have in your kit are going to be the directions, of course. You're going to have this lovely template of a turkey body, and you will have a plastic fork, you will have a paper plate, and you will have 3 colors of paint: red, orange, and yellow. If you want to use more paints from home, you are more than welcome to. Optional if you want to use extra things to decorate your turkey with from home, you can also do that. All right, let's get started because this is so fun. You're going to start by taking your paper plate and we're going to paint it. We're going to use our fork as our painting tool. So you're going to take your fork, choose one color of paint at a time, and the only reason we're doing this is so that the paint colors don't mix together, okay? So they don't like mix together inside here. If you mix a whole bunch of colors together, what color do they turn? Yeah, brown. If you mix a whole bunch together, they turn brown. I want colorful, so I'm gonna keep mine separate, and that's why I'm using one color at a time. So you're gonna open up your paint container, and you're going to, you can either pour this out somewhere, even on the plate if you want, or you can take your fork very carefully, use the back of your fork, and just kind of dip it into the paint, just like that. And then, guess what? I already have my plate painted. See? Then you're just gonna take it and kind of swipe it on your plate. And then when you need more paint, dip it back in there, dip, and swipe it on your plate. Now, I did this with all 3 colors, see? And I did smear it on the plate and it did mix a little bit, but I didn't mix it so much that it turned like a brown because I didn't want it a brown, I wanted like colorful. So when you're done with that, you want to put your plate over to the side so it can dry. While that's drying, we're going to take a look at Mr. Turkey Body template and color this. Oh, I forgot to tell you, you need coloring supplies. So markers, crayons, colored pencils. If you want to use paint and you've got the colors at home, go for it. And you want to color in your turkey. And after you've colored in your turkey, you want to cut the outline of your turkey body out, like this, okay? So I've got them colored, I've got it cut out, and my plate is dry, because it took me that long, right? Yeah, it's all set. Last step, I'm gonna glue my turkey body onto my paper plate. The paper plate is actually, the paint that you did with your paper plate is the feathers. So I'm going to take this lovely liquid glue, but whatever glue you have, and I'm going to put it all over my turkey body, all around it, and then I'm just going to glue it right on there. And then the plate is going to be like the turkey's feathers for the turkey's body. Like that. Yay! Isn't that so cute? I really love it. I would love to see your guys's if you do it. You don't have to use all the colors if you don't want to. You can use more colors if you want to. You can only use 2 if you want to. It's all up to you. Okay. That's it, guys. You let this dry, and then write your name and the date, and then decide, are you keeping this or are you going to give it to somebody special? Your choice. Let it dry before you do that, and then hand it on over. And the most important part, little ones, help clean up. Yes, if you got some on your hands, wash your hands up. We're gonna wash the table up. We'll recycle the fork because it's plastic. The paint, you can keep it, you can throw it out, whatever you're gonna do with it. Throw away your garbage, put the glue away, put the scissors away, put it all away, clean it up, and you're done. Have so much fun. Bye, everybody.